Welcome to another WakeNbake Recipes. Today we are going to make a no-bake chocolate pie filled with dark chocolates. This pie melts in your mouth and it's a great dessert to impress your friends. Let's start with the ingredients. Milk, cornstarch, dark chocolates, sugar, eggs and cacao. Put all your ingredients into a small pan, but not the cacao. We will use it later to decorate our pie. Now separate the egg yolks from your egg white and add it to the mixture. Use a whisk and mix until all ingredients are well mixed. Warm your mixture on medium heat and use a spatula to keep stirring. The chocolate will melt slowly. When your mixture has reached this point, it will start getting more thick and sticky. From now on, it's important to use a whisk. This way you won't get any lumps in your mixture. The batter is now ready to be processed. Grease a round baking tin with some oil. This way it's easier to get the pie out after chilling. Now pour the chocolate batter into your tin. And use a spatula to divide the batter. Cover your pie with a piece of plastic. This way the pie won't stale when it's chilling in your fridge. When your pie is fully chilled, take it out of the fridge and remove the plastic. Hold it upside down and it should come out easily. And use some cacao as finishing touch. Thank you for watching. Did you like this recipe? Let me know and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.